Guys, recently had a chance to ask the Stingers, RIP Stingers, sorry, Southern Guards, little couple of questions in a Q&A. And I asked the guys what their favorite golf course was in South Africa outside of Leopard Creek. We know those guys are going to bat hard for Leopard Creek, so I wanted to get some interesting answers. I think you'll be most interested probably in Dean Burmes's answer. Check it out.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have to say the links. I love going to the links at Vancourt. I grew up there. I go there all the time. That's pretty much the only golf course I play there when I'm there. But yes, I like the links at Vancourt. You can't say Leopard Creek, eh? I know.
I like the courses up in Johannesburg. These boys like courses at the sea, but Leopard Creek's my number one. But between the Royal Joburg and Glendower, those are really good courses that I like to play.
But for me, whenever I play golf, it's about an experience. Obviously, certainly Leopard Creek gives you that, and it's probably why it's all four of our favorites. There's a little golf course called Mooinooi, which is funny, a little 9-hole golf course, which is unbelievable. Louis won the plat, yeah. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's such a little old school golf course. I love playing there whenever I went and played there. So that's one of my favorites.
I'm going to go outside of golf tournaments, which I just love playing Marcelway Golf Club. It's where I grew up, and Albertinia, obviously Albertinia Golf Club is the one where I started. And but when I go back and just have fun and play with the boys, I just love playing Marcelway.